Hey guys, Carson here. So today I'm excited to showcase 2 recipes from our upcoming new concept called Olive. So today I'm going to make a chickpea patty, and then to accompany that I'm going to make a fresh tzatziki sauce. So to start, we've got some dried chickpeas. So we're going to take these, put them in a food processor, quarter of a diced red onion, fresh minced garlic, fresh Italian parsley or normal parsley, some flour, some panko, lemon juice. I did some fresh squeezed lemon juice. And then this is a Greek freak seasoning. So what's in it is we've got some dried oregano, dried basil, garlic powder, onion powder, sea salt, pepper, and some fresh lemon zest. And it smells amazing. All right, so we've got our chickpea kind of, I'm going to call it a dough, even though it's not really a dough. And then we're just going to make patties with it. You can go bigger, smaller, just depending on what you want to do. It looks delicious. Nice, beautiful golden color on it. We're gonna put some tzatziki sauce on the bottom of their nice toasted bun. A patty on top of that, sliced Roma tomatoes, some thinly sliced onion. And here we have it, guys. A beautiful, great, inspired chickpea.